Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah. This is No BS Beauty. Really quick, just want to remind you to subscribe to my newsletter.
Where?
On my website.
Where?
Online. On the internet. On
nobsbeauty.com/sub.
www.nobsbeauty.com/sub. It's online. It's on the internet. The internet's a real thing, you know.
Worst promo ever.
That's just me. Where is it? It's on the interweb.
Interwebs.
Which exists. Okay. So for today, I'm going to talk about the Peach and Lily MiniProtein Exosome Bioactive Ampoule. It's kind of a scary name, Bioactive Ampoule. Kind of makes it sound like it's a biohazard or something, but it's not. It's an ampoule, just kind of like a serum. Ampoule is like a concentrated serum. It's mincing words, really, but it's kind of a serum, so. Okay, so they say Peach and Lily's patent-pending MiniProtein Exosome Bioactive Ampoule is clinically proven to reverse 12 visible signs of aging in 4 weeks. Interesting. Promise. It's always better to underpromise and overdeliver in general in life. So anyway, micro-mimic tri-signal concentrate first ever trio of mini proteins, exosomes, and phyto growth factors reveals next-gen bounce and glow, your skin's power move. Man, does that sound... Sounds like they paid a marketing person a lot of money to write that.
Paid by the word.
Yeah. Mini protein in just 4 weeks. 12 aging signs. I don't know. Okay. On to my first criteria, which is packaging. This is heavy. It's a square glass bottle. I think I like square bottles, I guess. I don't know. There's kind of controversy. Like, is a square bottle or packaging better because you can fit more in the packaging and, you know, it takes up less shipping? But this is very heavy. I have a feeling a small glass bottle would have been maybe less packaging, less weight. It's heavy. I bet this is like 2 pounds. 3 pounds? I don't know. It's heavy. Okay, there's no denatured drying types of alcohol. There's also no fragrance and no scent to this. And it is made in Korea, so ease of use with this one. So this one's got a goopy texture to it. You can kind of see it. The texture of it kind of reminds me of the snail mucin essence a little bit, but it's not quite that goopy, but it's got a nice texture to it. So you're going to want to apply this to skin after cleansing and toning. They recommend applying it after a serum, but personally, I kind of just use this in place of a serum, so I don't really typically use this in addition to other products. I just think it's better with less. I don't know. I think this is good enough for a serum. I'm not necessarily into discussing the distinct difference between an ampoule and a serum or a toner and an essence. It's all different jargon, and it really sometimes kind of means the same thing. I mean, an ampoule, technically they say it's like a stronger, amped up serum, but I just use this instead of where I would use a serum. So, okay, so you can use this morning or evening. If you have dry skin, you can use this in your morning routine. If you have oilier skin, it might be a little bit too much. If you have oily skin, I definitely don't recommend applying this after a toner and a serum. And then you're going to apply this, then you're going to apply a moisturizer, then a sunscreen, then makeup. It's too much. Just apply this where you would a serum. They recommend pairing this with their Retinol for All. It works great with that. You can use it that way too, morning or evening. I think in the winter this will be nice. I'll probably use it with the serum in the winter, and it probably won't be too much because my skin gets pretty dry in the winter. So yeah, so I'll apply it then. A little bit of it goes a long way. I'll use it right after my toner and before my moisturizer. And again, if I use it with a serum, it tends to be too much. Unless it's at night, then I don't care. I'll apply a gazillion layers. I'll apply an inch thick layer of different products, and I don't care. And you know what? They'll all have soaked in by the time I wake up. It's amazing. And it's not on my pillow. It just soaks in. My skin's that dry. So, okay, beneficial ingredients in this one. We've got hydrolyzed rice protein, which is a emollient that helps with skin barrier repair and plumps the skin. Also helps soothe redness. We've got soybean protein, which is an emollient. We've got Versalin, which is a protoglycan that's involved in maintaining elastic fibers, helps firm skin and boosts elasticity, and helps plump skin by helping skin hold on to water and may reduce the appearance and depth of wrinkles. which is an amazing ingredient. We've got Centella, which is an antioxidant and soothing ingredient, Linoleic and linoleic acids, which are good fatty acids and skin identical ingredients. We've got a humectant that's called Swertia Chirata extract, and then we've got several amino acids. We've got glycine, serine, glutamic acid, leucine, alanine, lysine, arginine, tyrosine, phenylalanine, valine, proline, threonine, aspartic acid, isoleucine, histidine, methionine, and cysteine. They're all skin-identical amino acids that help hydrate skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It's a lot of them, which is great. It's great for your skin. We've got hexapeptide 9, which is an anti-aging peptide that helps reduce the appearance of fine lines. We've got the iceryl peptide claimed to help reduce the appearance of under-eye bags and puffiness. We've got the thiamulin 4, which is a cell-communicating peptide that helps with skin regeneration. We've got the matrixyl peptide that helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and helps improve skin texture. Collagen, which is a peptide that's believed to help stimulate collagen production in skin. Hexapeptide 11, cell-communicating peptide. I'll put all the ingredients in the description below. Arginine, Botox in a bottle peptide. We've got a small amount of copper peptide, wound healing and soothing peptide. We've got argan oil, which is a good emollient. Tripeptide 32, cell-communicating peptide. We've got matrixyl 3000, peptide that helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and slows the degradation of collagen in skin. Skullcap root, antioxidant. Sephora root, antioxidant. White mulberry extract, soothing. Sesame seed extract, soothing ingredient. Vitamin E. Superoxide dismutase, antioxidant. Faux tea root, a skin conditioning plant extract. And then black cohosh extract, which is an antioxidant. It's got a lot of ingredients. Is this the whole ingredient? Yeah, this whole side of the packaging, that is the ingredient list. It's got a lot. And so keep that in mind. Do a patch test because it's just got so many ingredients. If you have sensitive skin, do a patch test. Typically, you're best off doing a patch test, but especially when a product has that many ingredients, it's just better off to do a patch test. Okay, you can see how it's kind of soaked in and feels nice. My skin looks plump, but not greasy or anything like that. Very nice. Okay, in terms of animal testing, it's vegan and cruelty-free. In terms of performance, so for what this product promises to reduce 12 visible signs of aging like lines, wrinkles, loss of firmness, and texture in 4 weeks, complements skin natural function, and significantly increases collagen production. Excuse me. I'm going to advise against getting super excited and judging a product based on 4 weeks of use. The skin's typical skin cycle is about a month. So most products you won't notice benefits for at least a month. And something like this, it's a little bit over the top to promise that much within just a month. I'm very curious on the fact that they kind of made some of these bold promises, because sometimes over-promising, delivering specific promises with specific dates and specific timelines, sometimes the FDA is not a fan of that, so that's something to consider. But I would say just using it this morning, I used it in my routine. It does instantly give skin a nice plumped out kind of a glow, but it's too much to promise in 4 weeks, especially with a lot of these peptides can take 2, 3 months, 4 months to really work. So I think it's a little bit over the top, but it is super nice. I mean, there is no real Botox in a bottle. We know that. That arginine peptide that they say is the Botox in a jar or whatever, it's too over-promising. That's too much. It's not. But if you use this in a good routine, if you use this with other good skincare products like retinoids and vitamin C and good exfoliants and things like that, it certainly will help fine lines and wrinkles, but it's not going to be a miracle worker like they kind of make it sound. But definitely makes my skin look and feel nice. I love the product. It's great for my skin. But again, don't get overly excited with something that says it'll be a month, because it just really can't. So for acne-prone skin, it's pretty friendly. The only ingredients of note are Pentaerythrityl, Tetraisostearate, and vitamin E. So 2 ingredients for acne-prone skin in a very long ingredient list. So that's not bad. I'll say it's going to be friendly for all skin types, dry, sensitive, oily, and acne-prone. It's very friendly for all of them. So For oilier skin, you might just prefer using it at night because it is on the more hydrating side. In terms of the price, it is on the expensive side. So the full size is 30 milliliters or 1 ounce. So, and it's $53. So, I mean, it's expensive. Although a little bit of it goes a long way, which is nice. So keep that in mind. 1 pump is enough to cover my face and neck. So a little bit of it will go a long way. Last but not least is the It Factor, and it's a very wonderful ampoule, kind of like a serum, but there's not a ton of close dupes or alternatives, but there are a few. The closest ones I found are the Revive Serum Telomerase 6-in-1 Serum, which I will mention is about $150. So it's nice to have something that's a similar alternative that's triple the price. The Drunk Elephant Protein Resurf Serum and the number 9 NADCIL Essence. Those are the closest alternatives I could find to it. So, and they're all great products. I've tried every single one of those, and all 3 of those are great as well. It's a unique product with great antioxidants and peptides, and unique, and I like the fact that it will work well for all skin types. So with a 10 being a perfect score, this one a 9. My only issue is it's on the more expensive side, but 2 out of 3 of those dupes are double or triple the price. So it's kind of nice to have a nice alternative to those. So anyway, curious if you had a chance to check it out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are, leave them below. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys more tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.